Hey everyone, welcome to Durg. Nestled in the heart of Chhattisgarh, Durg is a city that beautifully blends the old with the new. From its rich historical roots to its modern industrial prowess, Durg is a place that tells a story of resilience and growth. Today we're going on an adventure exploring the middle of India. Chhattisgarh, often referred to as the Rice Bowl of India, is known for its lush green landscapes, dense forests and vibrant culture. But there's more to this state than just its natural beauty. At its core lies Durg, a city that stands as a testament to India's industrial journey. Get ready to see a city full of energy, history, and a cool culture. The streets of Durg are always bustling with activity. From the local markets, where vendors sell everything from fresh produce to traditional handicrafts, to the busy intersections where the city's pulse can be felt, Durg is alive and thriving. Durg is a city of opposites, where old history mixes with modern factories. The Bhilai steel plant, one of the largest in India, stands as a symbol of the city's industrial might. But just a stone's throw away, you can find ancient temples and historical landmarks that tell tales of a bygone era. It's a place where old temples stand tall next to busy markets. These temples, with their intricate carvings and serene ambience, offer a stark contrast to the hustle and bustle of the nearby markets. It's this unique blend of the old and the new that makes Durg so special. The past helps build a bright future here. The historical landmarks serve as a reminder of the city's rich heritage, while the modern industrial areas showcase its progress and development. Together, they paint a picture of a city that respects its past while eagerly looking forward to the future. Come with me as we explore Durg and see its warmth, strength, and special charm. The people of Durg are its true strength. Their warmth and hospitality make every visitor feel at home. As we walk through the streets, you'll see smiling faces, hear laughter, and experience the genuine kindness of the locals. Get ready to be amazed, because Durg has a story to tell, a story of growth, toughness, and the strong spirit of its people. Let's go. As the sun sets over Durg, casting a golden hue over the city, you'll realize that this is more than just a place on the map. It's a city with a soul, a city that has grown and thrived against all odds. So join me on this journey and discover the heart and soul of Durg. First, let's find Durg on a map. Durg is a city located in the heart of India within the state of Chhattisgarh. This region is known for its rich cultural heritage and vibrant history. The city itself is a blend of modernity and tradition, offering a unique glimpse into the past while embracing the future. It's in the east of Chhattisgarh state, nestled comfortably in a region that is both geographically and historically significant. The eastern part of Chhattisgarh is known for its lush landscapes and fertile lands, making it an ideal location for agriculture and settlement. Like a bright jewel in the middle of India, the city shines with a unique charm, reflecting the first rays of the sun as they spread across the horizon. The scenic beauty of Chhattisgarh, with its rolling hills and expansive plains, adds to the allure of Durg. Imagine huge green plains going on forever. That's where Durg is. These plains are not just a feast for the eyes, but also a vital part of the region's ecosystem. They support a variety of flora and fauna, contributing to the biodiversity of the area. The calm Jubilee River flows through it, making the busy city feel peaceful. This river is more than just a body of water, it's a lifeline for the people of Durg. It provides water for irrigation, supports local wildlife, and offers a serene escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. Durg is about 20 miles south of Raipur, the state capital, so it's important for the area's growth. Being so close to Raipur, Durg benefits from the economic and infrastructural developments of the capital. This proximity has fostered a symbiotic relationship between the two cities, enhancing trade, education, and healthcare facilities. Durg is more than a city. It's a whole district with lots of towns and villages. Each of these towns and villages has its own unique character and charm. They contribute to the district's diversity, offering a mix of rural and urban lifestyles. This blend creates a rich tapestry of cultures, traditions, and communities. The land is a mix of flat plains and small hills, like a beautiful painting. This varied terrain is not only picturesque, but also supports different types of agriculture and habitation. The plains are ideal for growing crops, while the hills provide a natural barrier and a scenic backdrop. And guess what? This area is full of natural resources, which helps Durg's factories do well. The abundance of minerals and other natural resources has made Durg a hub for industrial activities. These resources are crucial for the local economy, providing jobs and supporting the livelihoods of many families. The industrial sector in Durg is diverse, ranging from steel production to manufacturing, contributing significantly to the state's GDP. The local markets in Durg are bustling with activity, offering everything from fresh produce to traditional crafts. These markets are a reflection of the city's vibrant culture and economy. They provide a platform for local artisans and farmers to showcase their products, fostering a sense of community and supporting local businesses. Education is also a key focus in Durg, with numerous schools, colleges and universities providing quality education to the youth. These institutions are shaping the future of the region, equipping students with the knowledge and skills they need to succeed in various fields. The emphasis on education is evident in the well-maintained campuses and the dedication of the teaching staff. Healthcare facilities in Durg are well developed, ensuring that residents have access to quality medical care. The city boasts several hospitals and clinics staffed by skilled medical professionals. These facilities are equipped with modern technology, providing comprehensive healthcare services to the community. Cultural festivals in Durg are a sight to behold, with people coming together to celebrate their heritage. These festivals are a testament to the city's rich cultural tapestry, featuring traditional dances, music and cuisine. They bring the community together, fostering a sense of unity and pride in their shared heritage. Transportation in Durg is well organized, with a network of buses, trains and roads connecting the city to other parts of the state and country. This connectivity is crucial for the movement of people and goods, supporting the city's economic activities and making it a convenient place to live and work. Parks and recreational areas in Durg provide residents with spaces to relax and enjoy outdoor activities. These green spaces are essential for the well-being of the community, offering a respite from the urban environment and promoting a healthy lifestyle. Historical sites in Durg, such as ancient temples and monuments, offer a glimpse into the city's rich past. These sites are not only of historical significance but also attract tourists, contributing to the local economy. They stand as a testament to the city's enduring legacy and cultural heritage. The local cuisine in Durg is a delightful blend of flavors, with traditional dishes and street food that tantalize the taste buds. Food is an integral part of the city's culture, and the variety of culinary offerings reflects the diversity of its people. From spicy curries to sweet desserts, there's something for everyone to enjoy. Community events in Durg bring people together, fostering a sense of belonging and camaraderie. These events range from local fairs to sports competitions, providing opportunities for residents to connect and engage with one another. They play a vital role in strengthening the social fabric of the city. Scenic views of Durg, especially during sunset, are truly breathtaking. The city transforms into a canvas of vibrant colors, offering a serene and picturesque end to the day. These moments capture the essence of Durg, a city that beautifully balances nature and urban life. Every city has a story, and Durg is no different. Nestled in the heart of Chhattisgarh, Durg is a city that has witnessed the ebb and flow of history. From its early days as a small settlement to its current status as a bustling urban center, Durg has always been a place of significance. The city's name comes from the famous Durg Fort, a majestic structure that stands as a testament to the city's rich past. This fort is not just a building. It's a silent witness to the many events that have shaped the region. A quiet building that has seen a lot of history, the Durg Fort has stood the test of time. Its aged stone walls tell tales of battles fought and won, of rulers who once walked its corridors, and of the common people who sought refuge within its sturdy embrace. Way before the British, even before the Mughals, this area was part of the old Kosala Kingdom. The Kosala Kingdom, known for its cultural and political significance, played a crucial role in shaping the early history of the region. This area was part of the old Kosala Kingdom, which shows how important it is. The fertile lands and strategic location made it a coveted region for many ancient rulers. The remnants of these ancient times can still be seen in the historical landmarks scattered across Durg and its surroundings. These landmarks serve as a bridge to the past, connecting the present generation with their rich heritage. Over many years, Durg became a busy trading centre, with merchants and artists filling the streets. The city's markets buzzed with activity as traders from far and wide came to buy and sell goods. With merchants and artists filling the streets, Durg became a melting pot of cultures and traditions. The local crafts market in particular became famous for its unique and exquisite handicrafts. But Durg's story isn't just about kings and kingdoms. The city's history is also marked by the resilience and spirit of its people. Through the ages, the people of Durg have faced numerous challenges, yet they have always emerged stronger. This city was important in India's fight for freedom from British rule. The streets of Durg echoed with the voices of freedom fighters who bravely stood up against colonial oppression. The brave people who fought for freedom are still remembered here. Memorials and plaques across the city honor their sacrifices, ensuring that their legacy lives on. Durg's historical significance is not just in its ancient structures, but in the enduring spirit of its people. Now let's talk about what makes Durg important: its factories. This city is full of industry thanks to the hard-working people. Durg has lots of natural resources and people use them to help the economy grow. The Bhilai steel plant, one of India's biggest, is a symbol of Durg's industry. But it's not just steel. Cement and coal mining are also important here. Durg hasn't forgotten its old ways. Traditional jobs like making things from brass and bell metal, pressing oil and weaving are still around. This mix of old and new makes Durg's economy strong. Section 5. Getting around Durg. It's easy to travel in Durg because it has good roads and trains. The Durg Junction railway station connects the city to important places all over India. If you like traveling by road, National Highway 6 connects Durg to the rest of the country. And if you're flying, the Swami Vivekananda Airport in Raipur is close by. Durg knows that good transportation is important. The city's roads and buses make sure people and things can move easily. This helps Durg's economy grow and brings in businesses. Section 6. Durg's culture. Durg isn't just about factories, it's a city with a heart where old traditions and new ideas live together. The city is full of life, with sounds of laughter and celebrations. Durg has exciting festivals, old temples and busy markets. If you go to Durg, you'll smell delicious street food, see bright saris and hear traditional music. From Diwali, the festival of lights, to Holi, the festival of colours, every celebration is full of joy. Don't forget to visit the markets where you can buy handicrafts, try local foods and enjoy the fun atmosphere. Section 7. Fun things to do in Durg. Besides its factories, Durg has many cool places to see. Whether you like history, nature or culture, Durg has something for you. Visit the Bhilai steel plant, a huge factory that shows India's industrial progress. Relax at the peaceful Kailash and Parvat temples, beautiful buildings that show India's spiritual side. For a family day out, go to Maitri Bagh, a big zoo and park with lots of plants and animals. And to learn about history, visit the old Durg fort. Section 8. Durg today. As our trip through Durg ends, one thing is clear: this city is growing and changing. Durg is a city that likes progress, but remembers its past. The people are friendly, welcoming and strong, always trying to make a better future. Durg's story is inspiring, showing how hard work and a strong spirit can make a difference. So if you're looking for a new place to visit, remember Durg. This city, with its factories and culture, will be a trip you won't forget. Come explore Durg and see the magic that happens when old meets new.